Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite Error Code IS-0009. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and close Epic Games. And then once that's done, we're going to find the search bar, click on it, and then just type down %local app, data %. Alright, and once this file folder pops up, go ahead and click on it. Now go ahead and find Epic Games Launcher right here. Okay, again, Epic Games Launcher, double click on it, double click on saved. Now click on the web cache folder, right click on it and just click on delete. Wait for it, and once done, go ahead and open up the Epic Games Launcher once more. Wait for it to fully load, and then once it loads, go ahead and find Fortnite, just like so. And then once done, go ahead and click on install, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to fix Fortnite Error Code IS-0009. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.